Hello, today we will guide you through how to pay contractors with direct deposit on QuickBooks. We'll start inside QuickBooks. Once you're signed in and on the main workspace, look for the left navigation panel. That's your command center. Hover your mouse over the expenses and bills area to reveal related options. This is where QuickBooks groups the tools you use to manage what you owe and how you pay it, which includes your independent contractors. From the expanded options, select Contractors. This page is dedicated to people or businesses you pay for services outside of payroll employees. Think of it as your contractor hub, where you can see profiles, payments, and key details in one place. Next, choose. Find a contractor, use the search box or scroll to locate the person or company you want to pay. If you manage a long list, filters and clear naming conventions can save time. Make sure you're selecting the correct contractor, especially if you have similar names in your records. Click the contractor's name to open their profile. Here you'll find contact information, tax details if you've collected them, and a centralized view of their payment history. Before moving on, it's a good idea to confirm that this contractor is set up for direct deposit in your account settings and that their bank details have been verified. Accurate setup helps avoid failed transfers and delays. Inside the contractor profile, select the payments section. This area is your control room for past and current payments. You can review amounts, dates, and delivery methods to maintain clear, auditable records. At the top of the payments list, open the payment method filter, which is likely set to all. This filter determines which payments you're viewing at any given time. Change the filter to direct deposit. Now you're focused solely on payments sent or scheduled via direct deposit, which keeps your view uncluttered and aligned with your payout method. This is especially helpful for tracking status, such as pending or processed, and confirming which transfers were delivered electronically. If you see anything unexpected, verify bank details and timing. Keep in mind that bank cutoffs, weekends, and holidays can affect deposit dates. That's the full navigation flow. Open QuickBooks, move to expenses and bills, select contractors, find and open the correct contractor, go into payments, and filter by direct deposit. From here, review the amounts and timing, ensure everything looks correct, and follow your organization's standard process to complete the payout. Consistently using this view will help you stay organized, reduce errors, and make contractor payments smoother every time.